The days of small channels not being able to make money on YouTube are over, thanks to something called affiliate marketing. Now, I'm talking about product review affiliate marketing. I'm not talking about these people trying to send you to some crypto scam or some like how I made $1 million in 3 days kind of scam. None of that get rich quick kind of stuff. I'm talking Moneyball kind of system. Get you on first, move to second, go to third, go home, and start making real money. It's going to be small to start, but you got to start rolling that ball somewhere. I'll tell you, when I started 9 years ago, I wouldn't think that I'm where I am today, which is in July, we made $50,000 in 1 month. Think about that, okay? Affiliate marketing is the wave of the future. And if you think, oh, I've missed the boat. Now, I mean, a lot of people have hit the beachhead, but next year it's going to go through the roof, and the year after that it's going to go crazy. Why? Print media is dead. Video media, as traditional video media, is dying, and YouTube and online media is the wave of the future. Now, I'm going to show you my 3 favorites that I use, talk about why they're successful, and then we'll go through a list of some other ones that are hot ones, tell you which ones to avoid and which ones you can use. Now, the first one, of course, is Amazon Associates. I got to tell you, Amazon Associates, if you're only going to pick one, if you're only going to do one affiliate program, this is the one to go with, okay? It doesn't pay huge rates. In fact, I've got the rates right here. Let me pull them up. Let's see here. I got them right there. Here we go. So this is the basic rates. And now it can change for each individual person, but this is on average. Amazon Games, 20%. Luxury beauty. If you sell beauty stuff, you're making 10%. That means for every $10 of stuff that you have somebody that clicks and they buy, you're getting $1. Digital music, playbooks, all that stuff. It ranges from 5 down to 0. Gift cards, wireless services, alcoholic beverages. You're not getting paid for that. But there's a lot of great room in between. Most of the stuff I do on my main channel is tools. That's 3%. That's not. It doesn't seem like a huge amount, but it's that tail end kind of just keeps going. Even while you sleep, there's people watching your video and they're clicking on it. Now, I'm going to say this. A lot of people get excited about this and they start reviewing stuff that they either don't know about or they really don't like, but they think it's going to get sales, and they just pick random stuff and people can tell. All right. You have to be authentic, 100%. That's the rule of the day. Be genuine, be authentic, be knowledgeable. If you don't know about it, don't talk about it, or at least educate yourself to the point where you know more than the average bear, as it were. Now, you can go around your house and you can find stuff that you've already picked up. You can review books and stuff. You can review flashlights and little things like this. Anything that's sold on Amazon, you can review. Now, getting set up as an affiliate is pretty easy. You just go to their website, you apply. You do have to have some viewership, all right? But it's not like it used to be. It used to be you had to have 20K. Then it was like down to 10K. Now, I think last I heard it was like 1,000. It's below that. They're basically opening the doors and letting anybody in because they realize their whole system's automated. It's not more work for them. They cut checks automatically. They'll do bank transfers. They'll also cut a physical check. They're fantastic to work with. Back up. They're not going to help you out a whole bunch. But tons of people shop on Amazon. It's the #1 online retailer. And to drive traffic to their site, they're going to pay you. Better yet, even if, let's say I have a link to, let's say I have a link to this, all right? And somebody goes and they go to click on this and they're like, that doesn't work for me. And then they go and they look at a $2,000 TV. You know what? I want that TV. Guess who gets the affiliate sale on that? This guy. All right. And it could be you. Why? Because as long as their token, their cookie is on their machine, if they buy anything within that window, which is like 24 to 48 hours, depending on a lot of factors. Anyway, the point is you get that percentage of sales. I had somebody buy a $5,000 bed one time. That was a nice chunk. I had somebody buy, I think it was a $10,000 development computer system, and made a good chunk of money on that one. I appreciate that. But the point is, if you're not genuine, you won't get people to click. And you have to find products that are reliable. You have to find products that's not going to let people down. If you show a product, you're like, hey, this is the best thing since sliced bread, and they get it and they fall apart, they're not going to come back to watch more of your videos, and they're definitely not going to click on any more of your links. Now, let's get back to Amazon and talk about some other stuff. Next up, what we've got here is something called Amazon influencers. Now, you have to have a bigger channel to do this. And it can be YouTube, it can be Instagram, it can be TikTok, you can have a blog. There's a lot of ways you can do this. This is different though. Now, I don't do a lot of this one, and there's a lot of people, unfortunately, that are really making this program a real pain in the you-know-what, because they're just spamming terrible content. But have you gone on Amazon, clicked on an item, and then you see the pictures, and then there's videos? Well, those videos weren't created by Amazon. They're created by Amazon influencers. So this is stuff that people get paid for doing videos and doing reviews and stuff on Amazon's website. Now, you don't get paid near as much because you're not driving traffic to the website, or you should to the website. They're already on the website, so they're basically taking their cut for already having the viewer there. And as such, I'm going to show you here. So if we look at, let's look at one easy. Toys and furniture, 3%. If you come over here, toys, 1.5. You're going to get luxury beauty. We talked about that, 10%. You're getting 5%. Actually, this has gone up. When they first approached me years ago, it was 1% across the board. And I'm like, I'm not doing that. I'm not wasting my time. But a lot of people did, and a lot of people make really good money. They'll buy a new product, they get it home, they pick up their phone, and that's all you got to do. You pick up you don't even have to be in the video. You pick up your phone, you're like, da-da-da-da-da, great, and you post it. It has to be like a minute to 3 minutes long. Talk about the product, just do a super quick review. And here's the thing. You can do a full-length review, put it on Amazon, or on Amazon, put it on YouTube, do a short review, put it on TikTok, put it on Instagram, and put it on Amazon as well. Now you've got 4 different sources, all directing them to different places. With the links, the outside affiliate links, you're going to make, say if it's beauty, you're going to make 10%. With the stuff that's already on the page, you're going to make 5%. If you make good content, if you make trustworthy, well-made content, and it's not just cheap trash, then people will watch it. People will watch, they see it. They'll look at the videos and they'll be like, well, this is junk, I'm not going to watch it. And the algorithm will pick that up and start seeing that you make good videos, and they'll start pushing your videos. All right. Now, here's the thing. You don't like to shop at Amazon? Well, Walmart is your next option. Now, Walmart has basically the same programs. They have the Walmart affiliate program. Again, if you send people to Walmart, Walmart's going to say thank you, give you a nice big commission on it. Or they have the Walmart creator program, which is essentially the same thing as the Amazon influencer program. You're going to get less of it, but you're dealing with people who are already there, so it's an easier sell. Now, the third one is impact.com. Now, impact.com it's a clearinghouse for brands who want to have affiliate programs but don't want to manage it themselves. All right. In fact, I believe the Walmart affiliate program goes through impact.com, if I'm not mistaken. Now, here's one of the problems with Impact. They don't help you a whole lot, all right? So they don't control how much you get paid, and they don't do much to help you when you get paid. There's going to be a lot of cases where you'll see your money get up, and you'll be like, wow, I've got banks in there. I can't wait for that check. And 4 months later, you're still waiting on that check because the brand has to fund the account. They see how many sell, and then they go, okay, we're going to pay that now. And they take their sweet time about it, all right? I can tell you, I've had as much as $15,000 sitting there at one time, and it's taken a while to get paid. But it has always gotten paid. So it takes a while, but it's better than, I'll say this, as far as the other clearinghouse programs that are out there, this is the best one. I will rank it Amazon number 1, Walmart number 2, and Impact number 3, even though Walmart goes through that. But you're just going to get more sales through Walmart because they're just such a big retailer. All right, I said there were going to be a list. Let's talk about the list, all right? So the list is this. This is from Shopify, and this is for 2024. They put this out in June. This is the best affiliate marketing programs online. And number 1, oddly enough, is Shopify. Did you guys really rank yours number 1? No bias there. All right, let's go through the rest of these. Amazon Associates, that is definitely, I always call it Amazon Affiliates, but it's Amazon Associate. Rakuten is another one of these clearinghouse ones. It's all right. eBay Partner Network, they don't pay, the percentage is so low, I don't bother with that. Lead Pages, ConvertKit, SEMrush, those are all leading to specific products that are kind of scammy, I think. Fiverr, of course, goes to the Fiverr website, unless you're specifically talking about, selling people. You can't really do product reviews with it. You're then pushing people over to Fiverr, like how to get this thumbnail made or how to get a video edited, stuff like that. If that's what you're looking for, then you know who you're already looking at. ClickFunnels is for, again, that kind of cheesy marketing stuff. HubSpot, kind of Teachable. I'm not a big fan of Teachable. This is another one that it's sending you to a site where there's content on the site. NordVPN. Man, there was a lot of people who were pitching for NordVPN, and then they got just massively hacked, let a bunch of information out, and that was an embarrassment. Just think about that before you pitch somebody. Do you really know who they are? Do you trust them? ClickBank, ShareASale, CJ Affiliates. Those are basically, they wish they were Impact. There's a lot of brands on there. Same kind of situation. You sell, you put the links in, they click on it, and you get, paid a percentage. You have to apply, just like with Impact, you have to apply to be approved by the program. And maybe you will get approved, maybe you won't get approved. There's not a lot of feedback if you don't get approved as to why, and then you get paid when you get paid and you don't get upset. All right, you can get upset, but it's not going to help, all right? All right, let's keep going here. Impact is number 25. That's ridiculous. It should be much higher on there. And a lot of these other ones are very specific. Target, they don't pay very much. Skillshare. Skillshare does pay actually a decent amount, but again, that's one of those teaching classes kind of thing. So you really need to be, in that kind of that area. So you can look through the rest of these. But if you're doing product reviews, you definitely have to get signed up. It doesn't cost anything. Get signed up with Amazon. Get signed up with Walmart. Get an account on Impact. And then also you can reach out to companies, because a lot of companies that you deal with, they have their own affiliate system. Problem with that is there's no transparency. You have no idea how many clicks you got, how much you get. You just eventually get a check, hopefully. Anyway, if you got any questions about affiliate marketing, how to get started, what to do, put it down below in the comments. If you have any video suggestions about stuff you want me to cover about how to help you get started here on YouTube, let me know. Anyway, that's all I got for you today. You all take care, God bless, and as always, shine on.